Dangerous Power G3, Empire Prophecy Hopper, 1 pod. Ready? Can you see it? Ready? Want to shoot the rest of them? Here, shoot the rest. Come here. Here. Put your finger on there and you gotta double tap the trigger. Here. 1. Go ahead. Fast, 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 fast.
Yeah, this is hard.
Go like this with 2 fingers.
Hey, we hit them.
Alright, there's no more here. Start recording.
Still some green and yellow ones on